Hello students, a very good afternoon to all of you. Again I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokuldas Public School, and in our last lecture, in our previous lecture, I told you that today we are going to start a new chapter and the name of that chapter is shapes. So write all of you fast, take out your books, your notebooks because we are going to write also. So fast take out your books, your notebooks, your pencil, your eraser and your scale also, because today we are going to draw different types of shapes. Okay, so first I am going to explain you different types of shapes. Okay, so the chapter is chapter number 6. Chapter 6, shapes. So many types of shapes are here. You in your home, in your classroom, everywhere you see the different things of different shapes. Okay, हम जब भी किसी चीज को देखते हैं तो हर चीज का कुछ शेप होता है. Either it is a solid shape or a flat shape. Okay, so today we are going to do different types of shapes. So there are two types of shapes: flat shapes and solid shapes. So what is flat shape? Flat shapes means simple shapes. Okay, flat shapes are simple shapes. So if you see the shape from one side, it will after watching the shape from one of the side, you can identify the shape. Okay, so that is known as a flat shape. So in flat shapes, how many types of shapes are there? 4 types of shapes are there. One is circle. Okay, another is square having all sides equal. Circle, square, then rectangle. You have learned all the kinds of shape in LKG also. And next is triangle. Okay, so why we call this shapes as a flat shape? Okay, suppose if we are talking about a circle, the name of this shape is circle. So suppose I am taking example of my bangle. Okay, so this is my bangle chudi. So what is the shape? Are you able to see it? What is the shape? It is the shape of a circle. But if we see from this side like this, are you able to identify what is the shape? No. So observing from only one or two side, we can identify the shape. हम दो तरफ से इसको देख के identify कर सकते हैं that what is the shape. Okay, so this is the difference between the flat shape and a solid shapes. Okay, so this is a circle. Again, what is the shape of this shape? Are you able to see this shape? The shape is rectangle. If I show you from this side, you very easily identify, yes, it is a rectangle. And if I turn it also, then also you are able to identify, yes, it is a rectangle. But if I show you like this from this side, it is like this. Okay, in this way. So only one line. What you are able to see? Only one line. So in this also you will observe the picture from two sides and you are able to identify this, yes, it is a rectangle or it is a square or it is a triangle. Okay, so this is a flat shape. Now the solid shapes. Okay, now the solid shapes. In solid shapes, you observe anything, in solid shapes, if we observe the thing from any direction, it will look like the same. Okay, for example, the solid shape, what is this? This is not a circle, this is a sphere. Have you seen the football ball? देखा है आपने फुटबॉल बॉल जिससे आप खेलते हैं? कहीं से भी देखेंगे आप उसको तो आपको कैसे दिखेगी? बॉल दिखेगी. सर्कल दिखता है क्या? नो. So that is a solid shape, that you can observe solid shape from any side and it will look you the same. आप सॉलिड शेप को जिस भी साइड से देखेंगे वो आपको सेम दिखेगा. सो दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द फ्लैट शेप एंड द सॉलिड शेप. ओके, एंड सॉलिड शेप इज ऑल्सो नोन एज 3 डायमेंशनल शेप. आप उसको किसी भी डायमेंशन से देखेंगे वो आपको सेम दिखेगा. सो हैव यू सीन द योर बनाना, ऑरेंज, guava, watermelon, football, a globe, a balloon, all these are the example of sphere. Okay, so another 2D example is, what is this? What is this? This is a cuboid. This is a cuboid. In cuboid, opposite sides are equal, same as rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Okay, and square, all sides are equal. The same is the difference between the cuboid and the cube. So this is a cuboid. Suppose this duster. This duster is an example of cuboid. Okay, we see the duster from this side. We can see the duster from this side also. We can see the duster from this side also. We can see the duster from this side also. While observing duster from all the sides, what we observe that its shape is solid shape. Okay, सभी तरह से देखने में आपको ये डस्टर दिखता है. That is, yes, it is a duster. Okay, so solid shapes. This shape is known as cuboid. Cuboid. Okay, so no difference between cuboid and cube. What is the difference between cuboid and cube? The next solid shape is cube. Same. What is the difference? In this, only opposite sides are equal. But in this, all the sides are equal. Like square. You know the square? All the sides are equal. But in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Rectangle में क्या होता है? Opposite sides equal होता है. और स्क्वायर में चारों साइड इक्वल होते हैं. तो सेम सॉलिड शेप क्यूबॉइड एंड सॉलिड शेप क्यूब में यही डिफरेंस है. क्यूबॉइड में क्या होता है? अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. देख रहे हैं? डस्टर, दिस साइड इज इक्वल टू दिस साइड एंड दिस साइड इज इक्वल टू दिस साइड. दैट मीन्स अपोजिट साइड्स आर, दिस टू साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड दिस टू साइड्स आर इक्वल. ओके, बट इन क्यूब ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल. सपोज आई एम giving you the example of this your chalk box. What is the shape? It is a cube because all the sides of chalk box are equal. So it is a two-dimensional figure. Sorry, it is a solid shape with all sides equal, and this is the shape is known as cube. Okay, cube. And have you seen what is the next shape? The next shape is, what is this shape? Have you eaten your ice cream cone or birthday cap? So what is the shape? Cone. Birthday, sorry, ice cream cone वाली ice cream खाई है ना आपने? cone बना रहता है. cone बोलते हैं ना इसको. Okay. So triangle and circle at the one end. So this figure is known as cone. One more shape is there, and that shape is सिलेंडर. गैस सिलेंडर आता है ना, देखा है आपने? कैसा रहता है? ऊपर से भी गोल, बीच में से फ्लैट, नीचे से भी गोल. तो दैट शेप इज नोन एज सिलेंडर. कप देखा है आपने? चाय का कप, बड़े बड़े, ऊपर से सर्कल, देन नीचे से फ्लैट, बीच में से फ्लैट, देन एट द बॉटम ऑल्सो सर्कल. तो दैट इज अ शेप. व्हाट वी कॉल दैट शेप एज सिलेंडर. Okay, have you seen the letter box? The shape of a letter box is also like a cylinder. Okay, so how many solid shapes are there? Sphere, cuboid, cube, cone and cylinder. These are solid shape. आप इसको कहीं से भी देखेंगे. गैस की टंकी देखी है आपने? कहीं से भी देख लेते हैं. कैसी दिखती है? सेम दिखती है. ओके, बर्थडे कैप कहीं से भी देखेंगे वो एक जैसी दिखती है. दैट इज व्हाई दीज शेप्स आर नोन एज सॉलिड शेप, क्योंकि ये जो शेप्स है अपन इसको किसी भी डायरेक्शन से देखेंगे तो हमें वो सेम दिखता है, उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं दिखता है. दैट्स व्हाई दीज शेप्स आर नोन एज सॉलिड शेप. एंड सर्कल, स्क्वायर, rectangle and triangle, these four shapes are known as flat shape because they are flat. सिर्फ टू डायरेक्शन से देखने में हमें वो सेम दिखेंगे, अदरवाइज वो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन दिखती है या तो कुछ अलग शेप दिखता है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो टुडे व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द शेप एंड राइट इट्स नेम. सो फास्ट टेक आउट योर नोटबुक्स एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग विथ मी. फास्ट राइट चैप्टर नंबर 6 shapes. Right, chapter 6 shapes. Right, chapter 6 shapes. Okay, now first write different shapes. Write flat shapes. Right, flat shapes. Okay, write flat shapes. So how many flat shapes are there? 4. So draw and write the name. So write 1. Okay, write 1 and draw a circle using any bangle or anything whatever you are having, and write circle, CIRCLE. You can use color also. If you want to color it, you can color it also. So draw a circle and write circle. Now write square. Draw square. Draw square. You write, wait students. You have drawn circle. Now write circle inside it. CIRCLE. Okay. Circle. Now write is there any corner or side in the circle? Is there any corner or side in the circle? So no side and no corner. सर्कल में कोई साइड या कॉर्नर होता है क्या? नो. सो राइट साइड नो, कॉर्नर नो. साइड नो, कॉर्नर नो. नाउ ड्रॉ द सेकंड फिगर. स्क्वायर and write inside it square, SQUARE, square. Square. So how many sides square is having? Count all the sides of square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many sides? 4. Okay, how many sides? 4. And how many corner? How many corner? Now count all the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Corners क्या होते हैं? जहाँ पे दो लाइन मिलती है. This one line and this one line. कहाँ पर मिल रही है? यहाँ पर. So this is known as corner and this is known as side. So a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Clear? Now write the third. That is rectangle. Rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal, and in square, all the sides are equal. In square, all 4 sides are equal. But in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides means आमने सामने वाली side. Okay? So write rectangle. RECTANGLE. So how many sides rectangle have? How many sides? It is also have 4 sides. Count 1, 2, 3 and 4. And how many corners? Corners also 4. Corners also 4. So count all the corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So square and rectangle having 4 sides and 4 corners. Now the last is number 4 I am writing here. Okay, triangle, right? Triangle, Triangle, triangle. So how many sides a triangle have? Count the sides of triangle and count the corners of. So how many sides? 1, 2 and 3. So number of sides triangle have is 3 sides and number of corners 1, 2 and 3. So a triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners. Circle has no sides, no corner, and rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners, and square also have 4 sides and 4 corners. So note it down fast, then we will write about solid shapes. Note it down fast. Make the shape and write the name of the shape inside the shape and write how many corner and how many sides the shape has. Write it fast. Okay, you can take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write it. Now we are going to do the next, that is solid shapes. Now write solid shapes. SOLID, solid shapes. Okay, solid shapes. Now draw with me and write with me also. First is sphere. Draw a circle and make a line inside the circle like this. So write sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere, sphere. Say sphere. How do you pronounce it? Sphere, sphere. Now the next shape is, write second number, make a triangle and a circle, cone, cone, right? Cone. Next, cylinder. What is the shape? Cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. Cylinder. Next, number 4, cube. In cube, you have to draw all the lines of same length. In cube, you have to draw all the lines of same length, right? Cube. Puzzle आता है ना, Rubik puzzle. Have you played? खेला है जिसमें कलर्स रहते हैं, अरेंज करना पड़ता है. दैट इज द शेप ऑफ अ क्यूब. सांप सीढ़ी खेलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? सांप सीढ़ी एंड लूडो. पासे का यूज करते हैं डाई. व्हाट यू कॉल दैट इन इंग्लिश? डाई. एंड हिंदी पासा. सो व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ अ डाई? क्यूब. ओके, क्यूब. नाउ द नेक्स्ट शेप इज नंबर 5, cuboid. Cuboid. Okay, and in cuboid opposite sides are equal. So write cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. So these are the solid shapes. How many solid shapes are there? 5. How many solid shapes are there? 5. Sphere, cone, cylinder, cube and cuboid. Sphere, cone, cylinder, cube and cuboid. So write it fast, draw it fast. Okay, you can take the screenshot or you can pause the video and write it. So today we have learned about two shapes, flat shape and solid shape. And I hope very carefully you have understood the difference between the flat shape and solid shape also. Okay, at your home you can distinguish, you can differentiate between the solid shape and flat shape. Okay. So in our next lecture we are going to do some questions that is based on different types of shapes. So color all the shapes if you want to color it, draw all the shapes very nicely. If you are not able to draw the shapes, but you can take help of your parents, but try to draw the shapes on your own. Okay? So till then, have a nice day. Bye students, take care of yourself.